bad place to park the car. Beautiful house. Slip through the hedge. I'll slip through the fence actually. Security. And look at the gate. Love these gates, yeah. Wandered down to Sandie's. Nice having a gated community. Trying to get rid of this rubbish, but not doing that well. Security gate. Boogie-loo. And then we go. I love these things. Oh, and the tuies. What an entrance, huh? Just spectacular place. And this here, just monster trees. That one, they finally had to take the top off it. Pretty cool to watch that one. And then down into the house. Yeah. Here's the horse project, and I'll put it out so you can see it properly. And it's finished. Blue legs, which is quite nice. Taz did all of this. She took this all apart, washed it, wreath it. I've just stuck that in. Taz washed all of this, stuck the old tail back in, and now we've got a genuine rocking horse for the kids. With the face. And that's done. Blue brothers down the far end. It seems to fit here. And it rocks. Doesn't matter if you chuck a big powerful colour towel on it, it works. Up against here. Here's the cleaner. Look at this. Oh! These little chaps, which are solar powered, and they kind of light up the walking pool. What a place, huh? Oh, big bee. So Sandie's mowing, happy as anything. I'm seeing the horse over there. Looks like it wants to go for a bloody swim.